Good afternoon and welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our beautiful BMW 330 diesel. It's an SE Steptronic. It's a 2009 on a 59. Now this car is only 2 owners from new and it has only covered 77,500 miles from new. The last owner has had it for 11 years. It's been serviced by BMW at 13,000 miles, 24,000 miles, 37,000 miles, 47,000 miles, 51,000 miles, 60,000 miles and 67,000 miles. And then it's just been serviced here at Barclay Motor Company at 77,000 miles. So it has 7 BMW services and 1 service by us. It has black Dakota heated leather. It's 3-litre diesel automatic. It has BMW professional satellite navigation. It has 2 keys and it has Bluetooth. Also has, well, the Bluetooth is advanced Bluetooth, and it has voice control. And it has electric folding mirrors. Alloy wheels, great condition. Pirelli all-season tyre. Another Pirelli all-season tyre, nice alloy wheel. Absolutely immaculate inside. Paintwork is too. Multifunction steering wheel with paddles, widescreen professional nav, heated seats, one of the nicest 3 Series BMWs of this age we've ever seen. Obviously drives like a new car. Rear park sensors. Super clean in the boot. No matching Pirelli tyres. Lovely low mileage example this. Can't fault it at all. Got cruise control, 77,576 miles. This car's been cherished. So, 0959 BMW 330 diesel SE automatic, 2 owners from new, last owner 11 years, fantastic service history, beautiful condition, looks to be all original, the paintwork, just been serviced, priced at £7,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Facebook or Instagram, or please go to YouTube where this video will be hosted and all of our car videos are hosted. If you find the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel, please subscribe and then you'll be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stuff. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.